Magandang hapon po. House tour tayo. So ito na.
Hello, what's up mga kabets? Hi,
House tour okay lang. And this is for
course.
you, a little sweet. Alright.
Thank you very much.
Guys, this is Sean and this is Minerva. Habang nagkukwentuhan tayo, so ito po yung life in the UK ng mga Pilipino. So, okay.
So, let's go. Come here. Pasensya na sa mga ano natin.
Uy, kumusta?
na-
So, how many
we're too
bedroom
busy.
itong bahay
We
niyo?
got 3 bedrooms.
How
Ha?
many?
2 residents.
2 human?
2 human and 2 two animal.
3 residents. And, oh, look at this.
Oh.
Oh yeah, no problem. Thank you. Nagkabala pa
Pasensya na.
ito na. Sige, explain. I-tour mo naman kami. Can you give us
Oh
a
my
little
God,
tour of...
Nakakahiya naman. Sige.
Dito
So,
muna. Dito
oh,
muna. This
ito.
is the dito.
This is the
Let's go.
kuan.
Let's go.
This is the lunch. So, pasensya na.
Oh,
Kasi
let me give them a little bit of background. Minerva works in Sainsbury's right now.
Yes.
Pero how long have you been in the UK now?
I've been here for 18 years.
18 years. Wow,
Yes,
that's
18
amazing.
years.
18 years. Yeah.
Soon will be 20. No, di ba?
Yeah, that's fine. And Sean works as in construction. Yeah.
Industry.
Oh, ayun, ginulay mo.
Yeah.
It's
You might have seen him on my video on like doing plastering. So, and how long have you been in the UK?
How long you been here?
Over 10 years.
Yeah. We have a couple of requests from our friends to see how Filipino. We thought of giving them a house tour.
Yes, okay.
And thank you very much for letting us do this with you.
Of course, you're welcome. Very welcome. It's open and no filters.
So this is
No
a
filter. This is,
3-bedroom
yeah.
house
Yes, yeah.
in the close to Liverpool city center.
It's only 10 minutes drive, no?
10
10 minutes
minutes
drive to Liverpool. So we're here in Rice Lane, Walton.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the sala.
This is the sala.
Very
Ito na,
nice. You do the
pasensya na.
video okay here.
Yes, yeah. Pasensya na. Anyway, you've been here before, so how, what
Yeah.
it's, no?
It's good.
Iba
It's
na
the
talaga.
same. It's the actual house.
Iba na kasi pag ano ba, may ano na talaga, di ba? May aso na, ganyan. So,
And then this is your kitchen.
this is an open living room and dining.
Yeah. Let's.
And tsaka, ano
And
ba?
four-seater, no? Four-seater.
Oo,
So nung nakuha nyo to is
Wala,
Yeah.
it's empty.
it's
Lahat, sa akin to lahat ako bibili
so it's
dito.
unfurnished.
Unfurnished, yes. So kaya nga, pag ako'y umuwi ng Pilipinas, ito, ano na to, area na to sa, ano tawag nito, charity.
Oh, Pinoy na Pinoy pa rin kasi look, they have a
Ano, pag ganyan.
box.
Or baka siguro,
box. So Pilipinong-Pilipino pa rin. Ano magandang trabaho mo when you came to the UK?
of course, I have experience 2 years in a caregiver, 2 years in Tesco, 2 years in the Wrightington Hotel as a housekeeping, and then how many years is that one in, it's like, ang dami ko ng mga experience kasi.
And then now you're settled in
I'm
Sainsbury's.
settled, yeah,
How long have
the
you worked in
longest
there?
I've been there now for, nearly 5 years this coming September, 5 years.
And Sean is doing construction since 17 years old.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
You know, that part of it.
OFWs are
They're
comparing living arrangement of people in Middle East, living in Asia, in
I
here,
see,
in
kasi
America.
certificate, oo.
America, they have big houses. Filipino has big houses. Australia, they also have big houses.
Na allow that because in one room is one person.
It's nice. 3-bedroom upstairs. And
This is the standard of living way. This
Possibly.
Okay. Show me the garden and
garden. Anyway, before this is supposed to be like a fake. There's a fake grass in here.
Let's see.
There's a fake grass, but because right now, because I'm too busy, because we got a dog, so this is what it looks like now, and then plus he's working.
Vegetables.
Like this.
Yes.
Yes. I just threw the potato there and it grew itself.
Yeah.
Big kitchen, I don't know.
Oh,
You have, Mama? Should,
Ito empty na. This one, oh. There we go, we got pinakurat.
And some.
Yung pinakurat, nagkandarapa na yung mga ano dyan. Tsaka ito dito.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
I love chicken adobo. Yeah.
And what thing?
Sinigang.
Yeah,
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
You eat a lot of rice these days, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Rice. Pancit.
Pancit is nice.
Yeah. Rice is life.
Rice is nice.
Yan dyan mga junk beans.
Yeah, you have
Two.
Ay, yung mga box pa sa piping.
And these are
Yeah.
too ready to go to the Philippines. You know, if you do any damage or
Dapat ako nauna, dapat kayo.
Oh, ganun ba? Walang ano ha?
A massive toilet.
Kasi toilet. Kasi princess din umakyat din ito.
Shower and everything.
Shower. So,
Wala lang bathtub.
it doesn't have a bathtub.
walang
but
bathtub. Wala kami
it's
bathtub.
still
Shower is fine.
it's yeah.
Yeah.
We do like a bath, but it's convenient. The shower. Yeah.
This is Green's bedroom. So, pasensya na. So, ayan. Agay.
Fine.
Oh,
They
agay.
have a teenager.
Yeah.
They have a teenager. Yan,
Oh, ayan.
teenager.
Oo.
Nice wall. Did you do this?
Oh yeah.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
It's Sean.
Yeah.
yeah. The only
I
thing
changed
is
it,
it's
Then I
I didn't
finished
finish
it,
the cuts properly, but it's not something expert, but
Yeah, but at least it blends. The
Yeah.
room. Wow, okay.
Na one the small bedroom that's
and there's,
is naging ano na siya, Joy. Naging junk walk-in closet.
Look at this.
this is
Naging ano na siya, ha? Ito na, walk-in closet. Naman this
Stay there.
And then, alam mo na, mga Pilipino, ang mga sapatos, o, di ba? O, yan, o.
Oh, wow.
Ito, mga sapatos, dyan.
Oh.
Kasi dyan, ang dami ng mga ano din, o. Tegan.
And you made this as well.
yeah.
Yeah, oh, but...
It's
Ay,
got
di
a
ba niya
lot
nakita
for, like,
dati, no?
three.
Oo, kasi inano yan.
And what's your
Pasensya na.
view here?
Oh, it's slightly with the new. They built a new sign post over the last couple of days, but
Ang dami ng mga ano,
it's
biso.
basically terraced houses
Yeah.
facing houses.
And it's quiet here.
No, maingay pag ano, pag tawag nito. Maingay pag tawag
Mixed,
nito.
some, you know.
Siya, grabe.
Um,
So,
But
pasi...
it's nice. I
but
think
they
it's very comfortable.
yeah.
Comfortable.
Especially during probably, I don't know, is the street quiet or?
Yeah, apart from, you know, certain nights of the shops open late, you may get the odd, but it's generally quite quiet, really.
It's some sort of like, I don't know, it's a modern living. It's very English.
This is
Yeah.
an English way of living now
Yeah,
because it's just like you have to...
Why you have your privacy, even families has privacy
Yeah.
compared to Philippines.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the attic
The
space.
attic, the attic space, we got lots of junk as in there. We got still lots of junk there up there.
If you Christmas
So, yun, oh.
trees and
Oh, ayan. So, pasensya na mga kabegs, ha.
I'll have this one.
Wow, napaka-social naman ito, Vince. Bilang mo ko nito, Vince, ha.
house dog.
Thank you so much for your hospitality today. Ano ha?
Ganun pala sa England, ganun ba? Oo. Ay, gusto ko yung England.
Katok muna.